When you publish the project, Upwork will suggest sending invitations to the candidates which are most relevant in its opinion. We as freelancers are interested in knowing why Upwork considers these candidates better than others. Even though we published our project from a brand new client account with no previous hiring history and without verified payment verification, the first proposals will appear within a few minutes. After a few hours, there will be more than 20, possibly even 50, depending on the section in which you published your project and the specified budget. Take a look at each of the proposals you receive. Pay attention to how the first 150 to 200 characters are presented and whether they capture your attention. If so, what specifically caught your attention? Take a look at the structure of their cover letters. Explore how they present their portfolios and which of these methods is most convenient for you. Follow a link or download a PDF. It will also be beneficial for you to check on how they respond to additional questions. Then analyze the profiles of the freelancers that you like the most. Start saving specific techniques and phrases that you like. Greetings, descriptions of similar experience, calls to actions, etc. However, always make sure to close your project after analyzing the responses, so that all connects spent by the freelancers will be returned.